Look, in the brief time that I've been here in this town, I've seen a lot of things. I've seen some sluts on the corner. I've seen some crooked cops. You know what I mean?
A lot of those.
I've seen some hip hop. And now we got to get into what the real life is. So people's going to spit for you since we don't feel like we doing you officially until we hit you with that live hip hop. So whoever's first, make yourself known, introduce yourself, and spit a verse for the people. And I'm going to field the calls of all the people calling in. You like what you hear? Call in, and you might win something for free. But if you don't call in, you ain't going to win a goddamn thing. It's going to lie in there like a bum. Holla.
Yeah, word. Purest form in the building. A-Ron, about to spit it. I can rip over anything, rip any beat. It don't matter, I'll knock a cop in the street, cause I rock to this beat, just knocking in time. Come once again, all the time I'm dropping a rhyme. I just design all the time. Who's going next? I'm gangster, like Maurice Bishop or Malcolm X. I ain't no gangster, like 50 Cent, I'm ill. Get down with the skill and I clown for real because I drop to the beat. Stop with my feet, never. I keep moving and keep on improving. I'm so soothing, it's like the ointments, it's all freestyles. I come on the microphone in the meanwhile, I see
in the meanwhile, cats better take a breather. I'm about to come through, trust me, you caught a fever. I kick the ill rhymes off of the brain. Dialect on the mic that's like a runaway train. Get out of the way, I'm coming in right on the track. You know what's like, turn into a chiropractor. Maybe break your back, snap some of your limbs. Then I walk away with your Rolex watch and probably take your Timbs to the pawn shop. Get a couple bucks to get myself up in the club. See a bunch of little sluts like my man Immortal Technique just said earlier. Gonna come through with a lyrical gun, I'm about to murder your blow. Start ducking, dialect is coming through, and when I speak my rhymes through, you ain't saying nothing, just bluffing. We some of the illest in the state. My man A-Quill, Alibi, do it great. Holla.
We do it great. It be the A-Quill coming through, repping from St. Paul. Take that wax up to Lakeville. I come through, killing you at shows. Purest form, pure madness. You know how it go off the dome. I can rhyme with the braids of the fro. When I come through, you better lay low, looking like J-Lo, scandalous. When I come through, you know you can't handle this. I slam the door in your face like an evangelist. It doesn't matter, I get hot when I spit the flow. Off the top of the dome, you better leave it alone. Or better yet, you want to see me slide some money under the table, cause I'm over your head like the hair under your navel. Let's go, if you don't get it, it's too deep. When I grab this microphone, A-Quill, don't sleep, put you to sleep, not like Quill. The wackest line I ever heard in a battle. One that said to me, you cannot ever leave me rattled. When I spit it,
rattle, we come through like cattle, bum rushing. Y'all ain't ready for the show. I get loose over percussion. Y'all see brothers standing, hollering for revolution. Catch me in Technique, burning the Constitution down on Capitol Hill. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through? You know the man's mandibles kill. I strangle cats. Y'all don't want to mess around. I leave you all tangled up and looking like knots. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through? Probably come through with a crew that look like the SWATs. I'm trying to start guerrilla warfare in the streets like I'm Che Guevara. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through? I scare you quite. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through? The blacker, my heart is like midnight, I attack ya. Cats don't wanna come through, I probably smack ya like I was Bishop. Y'all don't know how I come through. Watch these other crabs, these start to hiccup. I told y'all, we come through, probably liquor. Couple of shots, keep it flowing until the beat comes in, until the first snare drops, till I hit a bass kick. Y'all see how I come through, the flowing style is through, and it's never basic. Who's coming next with the skills? I told y'all do it, not in it for paying bills. I've been in it for the love since day one, so y'all ain't ready. I got an ill microphone slayer tongue. I told y'all, my Uzi weigh a ton. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through, spit it till it's getting done. It's all off the top of the head. P-form, we dropping them dead. Now let's go.
I'm getting violent, but I was asking you nice. Don't make me beat your ass down like the Passion of Christ. It's immortal in the building constantly. We're repping for the children, for the seeds, for the people that grow in the slum, for everybody that grew up and act like a bum, for people that was homeless and never had a job in their life, from acting too trite, ridiculous lyrics to spitting this intricate, meticulous thing that I do off the head. It's like that. I leave the whole microphone dead. I leave the scene deceased. Immortal Technique. I represent peace, but sometimes peace is getting violent. That's because the community stay too silent. We don't get too hyped up off police aggression. We just be on the microphone confessing about selling crack. We never did. Talking about the bid. We never did. But I did that. And I come back and I speak on the track. A matter of fact, I take the cataract out of your third eye so you can see clearly. And so you can fear me. It's coming through Harlem. Rise to stardom like the evil genius. Immortal Technique. Hit him with the Peruvian black penis when I be coming through. Immortal Technique. technique, wildin' out.
Immortal technique, wildin' out. The smile is coming out your girl all the time. We rock the world. Everybody know my flows is composing, leave you frozen. Every time I come through, you know I'm just strolling. I come through, people, I'm wrecking the 5 corners. I see 5 haters, now I see 5 goners. They all gone, I spit rhymes on the track. Come through once again, and I'm rewinding it back. Y'all cats better listen to what my team say. My immortal techniques will turn your black jeans gray. Understand, represented Jean Grey. She was spitting so ridiculous on the microphone. I'm like, never impotent, I'm always hard on the track. Once again, I come through, I'm like, God on the track. No, I'm chillin', let me get back up in my zone. Man, I rap with the poems that come through and clapping your dome. Man, I'm back in my home, relaxing, saying after 5-0, I got a reflective rhyme flow that come all the time. Y'all don't know about it, the LMC that come through and knock about
Yo, I told you, we the purest form, not about cheddar. Nobody ever come to Radio K and freestyle better. Yeah, I said it. And when I come through, when I leave, they call the paramedics. Anybody in the vicinity, they just got served. Just like I cut off their skin, I got on their nerves. Dialect is kinda cocky, and he be talking trash, but it doesn't matter, cause you show up, I'll take your cash, take your girl, take your shoes, take your ride, and then I go outside. The group that I'm about to do a show with, get it? Nah, it's over your head like condoms. I'm coming through like the military, I'm bombing. No, I'm not no patriot, I hate fake MCs. I come through and spread over the body like a disease. Can you believe this cat's all coming off of the mental? Can you believe I'm not a dentist and I'll still crack your dentals? I rhyme over any instrumental, plus I'm influential. Throw your body out of a 12-story window, get with it. Dialect will hurt your feelings. Better yet, I'm black market like the underworld dealings. Let's go.
Underworld dealings. You cats ain't ready. When I'm grabbing this mic, eat you up like spaghetti, it doesn't matter. I'm killing them C's that's all whack. Why you think my DJ Sway always wearing all black? We be the reapers, we coming through creeper. I kill you with one line, I don't need no heater. When I come through, I'm the illest you seen. Guarantee you step to me, man, I'm killing your team. And maybe this, I come through and I'm killing your wife. You didn't know that I had skills and I'm ill with the knife. Stick to your knife like slow, coming through. I don't need to smoke no hydro, and I just bomb on 5-0. I don't give a dang when I come through. You might get tossed, smacking cats, not grabbing Spike Moss over Spike Bat because I don't need it. I spit the venom. I got this microphone, and cool, you know I get up in them. Let's go.
Like they was inebriated. I told y'all this life, we appreciate it. I got beef with the FCC. I'm trying to speak truth to kids with no GEDs, yo. I told y'all, they tell y'all I come through. They try to tell me when I'm coming up I'm a failure, but I'm here and I'm worth more than life. I told y'all I passed the mic device to Christ. I carry the cross on my back, that's the black man's burden. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through, leave your whole craftmatics burning. That means you're on fire in bed. I come through, I told y'all I stopped punk 5-0's fire with lead. We trying to go right back at him. I'm in a beast, I told y'all I'm a backwoods savage like them white kids out in the Appalachian. Y'all ain't ready, how I come through. Alibi's known for attacking the beat. I told y'all, found me in the streets. P-form in the studio with technique, y'all hear it. Revolutionary, that's volume 2 in perfect balance. Y'all can cop it at Electric Fetus. I'm doing plugs. I told y'all, I'm trying to come on the microphone wilding out like I'm doing drugs and I don't do them. I try to keep my body pure, but y'all ain't ready how I come through. I'm far from immature. These MCs is like prepubescent. They speeding up the beat. I'm still going for mine like adolescents. I'm growing up. I told y'all, whack MCs on the mic is so sick. They be making me throwing up. I told y'all before we got beef with the FCC. These young bloods can tell y'all the wins they line up for BET, but can't tell y'all the first president. I told y'all I come through my residence, Selby Ave. Y'all can come and get me. Now let's go. All right. Let's get some more wax, man. We going all night. Let's go. Let's do it.
Yo, check it out. Turn this up. Turn this microphone up. Turn this microphone. Yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna speak on these people. Yo. Kids say they take care of their fam, but that's a silly lie. Ain't paid a child support bill since Biggie died, and that's how it happens. I continue rapping a Latin assassin, exposing people for what they don't do. And yo, sometimes I'm not up to par. I got lots of kids, I just don't know who they are, and I be dropping them in different cities and different countries, and that's why child support services hunt me. Yo, that's what happens. Yo, it's how it goes, immortal technique. I be sick with the flows. I be hitting your girl. You know, she's an amateur, but I got the amateur phone on the camera, doing it like that. I'm just freestyling, just buck wilding, doing the Harlem swing, the Harlem shake, but not really. Immortal technique, I come through, never sign, cause that's not the dilly. These people be getting raped like Shawshank Redemption. Immortal technique is hypertension. I be educating niggas who don't understand the verdict. I'm telling them you signed, but what's the purpose? What you getting paid? You ain't getting no advance, and you don't get no royalties, and you don't even get a chance to shine. You on a shelf sitting, looking impotent, looking ridiculous, licking balls like it's licorice, but you're a bum, a homo. Yo, you're pathetic. Immortal technique, sick with the rhetoric when I'm spitting like a politician, lying to people, saying that I'm getting money. Immortal technique, play your girl out like a dummy, and that's a simple simile, way too simple for me. See simplicity dictate. I stand between 4'10" and 6'8". Subtract the same number from both sides, and that's 5'9", and that's just fine. And I shine, and I continue to climb, but I'm not behind bars, I'm behind stars, and I'm waiting for my chance to emerge. Immortal technique, I splurge sometimes at the barbecue spot when I'm spinning. Immortal technique, I made a career out of winning every MC battle that New York got, and I rip every battle MC that New York that's hot. And if it happened, then it happened, and that's how it goes. And if your girl is a slut, what did I call her a hoe to make her feel more special? Different names, different categories, and I speak with different allegories, and I go a cappella. Immortal technique, turn down a deal from every beat, motherfucking even keep it to Rockefeller. I be cursing, but that's sorry, whatever, I keep it going. I hate this weather. I'm down in Miami where it's sunny. Or I wish I was in Norway with some ski Playboy bunnies, but I'm spitting all over the screen acting ignorant. I might as well be drunk and belligerent, but I still do it, whatever, how it goes. Immortal technique, I'm out with the flows.
He's out with the flows all the time, man. We on the shine, man. We out with the snow, now it's rain time. Once again, it's bang time, do my thing time. On the microphone, I bang mine. All the time, I shine. Not like them diamonds, but like my design. When I come through, I'll be rhyming. All the time, I just be climbing to the top of the mountain, shouting like Martin. I ain't there, but I see ya. All the time on the microphone, I get down and I be a ill MC that come through, and plus I freak it. On the microphone, I be speaking my techniques with the flows that come through once again. And now you know, purest forms up in here, ready to rockin' and non-stopping. Y'all cats just be looking, we be locking it down, stopping your town. We climb around all the time in undergrounds, man. All I wanna know is why the heck we come through once again and drop these flows. And I got a little question for the police chief, McManus. Why can't you cats just try to handle this with some respect? Why when one officer shoot another, he gets suspended, but when you shoot a brother, it's just that? What's really good, man? Come at me. I'm in the hood, man. I'm over on the north side, the south side. I'm up in Shots Paul where we drop y'all, just like B-Ball. See, I see y'all on the block profiling and slanging, doing your thing, and I come through just doing maintaining. That's what I be doing when my slang is introducing. The ill type of stuff come through, and plus the useless, acting all ignorant. But that's only because the lies have been given to him, and it's belligerent all the time. I'll be spitting it off of the top of the dome. Microphone is what I'm gonna rock for. Your cats don't know who's stepping next.
Radio K.
Dialect.
Europe
Come on. Yeah. Yeah, P-form.
They don't get no more, man.
in Europe.
Come to the show, man. You get no more. That's a freebie right there, man.
Yeah.
Purest form and immortal technique, just tearing it up here.
We just playing. Ain't nobody, you know what I mean? We just playing around. Ain't nobody serious, you know what I mean? I have much more respect for women than that, you know what I mean? I'm a much more serious dude, but today's the morning time, you know what I mean? It's time to have fun. It's a time to have fun and climb around and do whatever we want to do. And then it's time to be serious and talk about what really goes on in the hood and what goes on in the world. So you heard people have a good time. We gave you a little bit of both today. So come to the shows. Either one tonight at the Five Corner, or you come through to the Fifth Element, you know what I mean? And just do your thing, son. You know what I mean?
Yeah, come through Fifth Element, man. Check out my man, Immortal Technique.
You know what I mean?
Then after that's over, you know what I'm saying? Come straight through Five Corners. You get 2 shows tonight. Purest
madness.
form, we repping it, man. For real. This is hip hop in its purest form. The garbage is done, man. Believe it. Lyrics is back.
Right here, we got some brand new